on, guys? Welcome back to another video. In today's video, guys, I'm going to deep dive into my portfolio. I'm going to show you some of my altcoins and the meme coins that I'm currently holding for the next 6 to 12 months to really lock in some crazy gains during this meme coin super cycle, let's call it. As always, guys, please subscribe down below. Smash the subscribe button, guys. This isn't financial advice. This is the tokens that I've spent a lot of time researching. I've held a lot of these for a long period of time already. And I think that these are the ones that likely outperform not only this cycle, but maybe in the future as well, 10, 15 years down the track. Now, ultimately, guys, the longer you're in crypto, the more Bitcoin you want to own. It is by far just the number one cryptocurrency. It's never going to change. You dive into the store of wealth. Okay, the amount of capital institutions out there, the ETF inflows, the hedge funds, the governments now, like the US owns like a stupid amount of Bitcoin, 13 billion or something. Like, you want to have exposure to Bitcoin as probably a hedge against all other stock investments, all other investments over the next 15 to 20 years. So for me, I will continue to stack Bitcoin for the next 5 to 10 years, guys, in the hope, and not the hope, but in the knowledge that it likely pushes towards that $500K million in due course. And I definitely think that happens in the next 15 to 20 years. So for me, guys, Bitcoin remains one of my strongest positions. It's actually not my top position this cycle. And my top position this cycle is actually Solana. I recently dove into a video, as a card shows you here at the top of the screen, about how bullish you should be on Solana. The reasons for it is that on-chain metrics are extremely high. So we're talking so many wallets, new active addresses, new TVL highs. We're seeing new volume highs on Solana compared to every other blockchain. And essentially, it's doing what ETH did last cycle, where ETH went from 200 to 4,000 or 4,500, whereas Solana is going to go from $8 likely to 400, 500 minimum. If not push a lot higher, you've got to remember, guys, that it also has an ETF coming next year. There's been 2 filings for that already. So for me, Solana just remains the strongest player this cycle. You're seeing meme coin millionaires made every single day. The liquidity and the volume on there support Solana's case even more. So for me, guys, that is why Solana is my number one position for the next year. And ultimately, it is stronger against Ethereum and is stronger against Bitcoin when you look at that chart as well. And that's always a really good chart for you guys to check out at the end of the day. So Solana number 1. Bitcoin is my second largest position. 3 largest position behind Solana. My 5th biggest position is MOG. I've been bull posting about MOG since about 180 million. It's obviously at 585 million at the moment. Obviously, MOG is on Ethereum, but I do hold it, and I do think it performs really well. I do think it pushes towards the multi-billions. Guys, it's a culture-based play. It's an extremely present meme coin on social media. It's also another term called mogging or MOG, which again just translates another sort of whole world into MOG coin. So I do think this one performs very well. The next largest holding is actually Epic Duck, guys. I've been holding this for a few mounts since about 5 million market cap. And I do think this pushes towards 500 million this cycle. So there you have it, guys. There is some of my portfolio, the meme coins I'm holding, the altcoins I'm holding, and as always, guys, take care, and I'll see you in the next one.